Are you looking for the best beach wagon to make your trips to the shore easier and more enjoyable? In this video, we've rounded up 5 of the best beach wagons available on the market today. Whether you need a wagon with large all-terrain wheels, a heavy-duty frame, or a compact foldable design, we've got options for every budget and need. Beach wagons are designed to help you transport coolers, chairs, umbrellas, toys, and other essentials with less effort across sand and rough terrain. Before we get started, be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and more details on each product. That way, you can easily find the perfect beach wagon that fits your budget. Now, let's dive into our picks for the 5 best beach wagons. Number 1. Navatiee 260L Beach Wagon. After using the Navatiee 260L Beach Wagon on several beach trips and outdoor outings, I can confidently say it is one of the most practical hauling solutions for families, campers, and beach lovers. Its large capacity, balloon wheels, and heavy-duty construction make transporting gear much easier. The first feature that impressed me was the 9-inch balloon wheels. Many wagons struggle on soft sand, but this one glides smoothly without constantly sinking. I was able to pull coolers, chairs, umbrellas, and beach bags across deep sand with far less effort than I expected. The massive 260-liter storage capacity is another standout feature. I could load everything my family needed for a full beach day in a single trip. The 440-pound weight capacity also gave me confidence when carrying heavier items like coolers, sports equipment, and camping gear. One feature I found especially useful was the extended tailgate. The 54-inch tailgate made it easy to transport long items such as folding tables, beach canopies, and fishing rods. The added crossbar helped keep everything secure during transport, preventing items from shifting around. The wagon feels extremely durable thanks to its reinforced steel frame. Even when fully loaded, it remains stable and easy to maneuver. I also appreciated the side pockets, which provided quick access to my phone, water bottle, and small accessories. Despite its large size, storage is surprisingly simple. The folding mechanism works quickly, and the wagon collapses into a compact shape that fits easily into the trunk of my vehicle. Setup and folding only take a few seconds and require no tools. Pros: excellent performance on soft sand. Large 260L storage capacity. Heavy-duty 440-pound weight capacity. Extended tailgate for oversized gear. Durable steel frame construction. Convenient side storage pockets. Quick fold design for easy transport and storage. Cons: larger size may require more trunk space than standard wagons. Heavier than lightweight folding wagons. Final verdict: my experience with the Navatiee 260L Beach Wagon has been excellent. The balloon wheels handle sand exceptionally well, the storage capacity is impressive, and the heavy-duty frame feels built to last. If you need a reliable beach wagon for hauling coolers, chairs, camping equipment, or family gear, this model offers outstanding performance and value. Number 2. Originsure 220L Collapsible Wagon Cart. After using the Originsure 220L Collapsible Wagon Cart for camping trips, grocery runs, sports events, and outdoor activities, I was impressed by its combination of massive storage space, strong construction, and compact folding design. It offers a practical solution for anyone who regularly transports heavy loads. The first thing I noticed was the enormous storage capacity. With 220 liters of space, I could easily fit coolers, camping gear, folding chairs, sports equipment, and groceries in a single trip. The deep design helped keep everything organized and secure while moving. The heavy-duty frame is another major highlight. The reinforced all-metal construction feels sturdy and durable. Even when carrying heavy loads, the wagon remains stable and easy to control. The dynamic load capacity of 330 pounds was more than enough for my everyday hauling needs, while the stronger static capacity shows how solid the frame really is. I also appreciated the all-terrain wheels. The oversized 7-inch wheels rolled smoothly across grass, gravel, dirt paths, and hard-packed sand. The 360-degree rotating front wheels made steering easy, while the built-in brakes helped keep the wagon securely in place when parked on slopes or uneven ground. One feature that stood out during testing was the improved steering system. Many folding wagons tend to wobble when fully loaded, but this model felt much more stable. The adjustable handle was comfortable to use, and I could easily adjust the height to fit my preference. Storage is where this wagon truly shines. Despite its huge carrying capacity, it folds into a surprisingly compact size. It fit neatly in my vehicle's trunk and took up very little space in storage. Since it comes fully assembled, I was able to start using it immediately. Pros: massive 220L storage capacity. Strong all-metal frame construction. Supports heavy loads with excellent stability. Smooth all-terrain wheels with brakes. Compact folding design for easy storage. Adjustable handle for comfortable pulling. No assembly required. Cons: heavier than some lightweight folding wagons. Large size may be excessive for casual users. Final verdict: my experience with the Originsure 220L collapsible wagon cart has been excellent. It combines impressive storage space, heavy-duty durability, smooth maneuverability, and compact storage into one well-designed package. If you need a dependable wagon for camping, sports, shopping, gardening, or outdoor adventures, this model delivers outstanding performance and excellent value for the money. Number 3. BEAU JARDIN Folding Push and Pull Beach Wagon. After using the BEAU JARDIN Folding Push and Pull Beach Wagon for beach trips, camping weekends, grocery runs, and outdoor events, I found it to be one of the most versatile wagons I have tested. The dual-handle design, heavy-duty construction, and large carrying capacity make it a practical solution for transporting gear in almost any situation. The feature that immediately stood out to me was the push-and-pull functionality. Most wagons only offer a pull handle, but this model gives me the option to either pull from the front or push from the back. I found the push handle especially useful when navigating crowded areas, while the telescopic pull handle worked great for longer walks across parks and campgrounds. The 500-pound weight capacity is impressive. I loaded the wagon with coolers, folding chairs, sports equipment, groceries, and camping supplies without noticing any signs of strain. The reinforced carbon steel frame feels sturdy and durable, and the double-layer base adds extra support when carrying heavier items. The all-terrain wheels performed very well on a variety of surfaces. I tested the wagon on grass, gravel, dirt trails, and packed sand. The oversized wheels rolled smoothly, while the 360-degree front wheels made turning easy. The built-in brakes were also a valuable feature, keeping the wagon securely in place when parked on slopes or uneven ground. Storage and setup are incredibly simple. The wagon arrives fully assembled, so I only had to unfold it and start using it. When finished, it folds down quickly into a compact size that fits easily into my vehicle's trunk or a storage closet. I also appreciated the thoughtful extras. The mesh cup holders kept drinks secure during transport, and the removable liner made cleaning quick and easy after outdoor use. Pros: unique push-and-pull handle design. Heavy-duty 500-pound weight capacity. Strong carbon steel frame construction. Large cargo area for bulky items. Smooth all-terrain wheels with brakes. Quick folding and compact storage. No assembly required. Convenient built-in cup holders. Cons: heavier than some smaller folding wagons. Can be bulky when fully loaded. Final verdict: my experience with the BEAU JARDIN Folding Push and Pull Beach Wagon has been excellent. The dual-handle system makes transportation easier, the heavy-duty frame handles large loads with confidence, and the all-terrain wheels provide smooth movement across different surfaces. If you need a reliable wagon for beach trips, camping, sports events, shopping, or outdoor adventures, this model is a fantastic investment that offers both convenience and durability. Number 4. Collapsible Wagon Cart Heavy-Duty Foldable. After using this collapsible wagon cart for camping trips, grocery shopping, outdoor events, and general hauling, I found it to be a very practical and reliable utility wagon. The strong frame, large storage space, and easy folding design make it a helpful tool for everyday outdoor use. The first thing I noticed was the sturdy build quality. The steel frame combined with 600D Oxford fabric feels strong and stable. Even when I loaded it with heavy items like camping gear, chairs, and grocery bags, it did not bend or feel unstable. The wagon gives me confidence when carrying heavier loads. The 140L storage capacity is another big advantage. I can easily fit multiple items in one trip, which saves me a lot of time and effort. It works well for camping setups, shopping runs, and outdoor events where I need to carry many things at once. The wheels perform smoothly on most surfaces. I tested it on grass, gravel, dirt paths, and paved roads, and it rolled without much effort. The double-bearing wheels improve stability and make pulling easier, even when the wagon is fully loaded. The design also includes useful features. The locking front wheels help keep the wagon steady on slopes, and the side pockets are useful for storing small items like bottles and tools. The handle is easy to control and feels comfortable during use. I also like how quickly it folds down, making storage in my car trunk very simple. Pros: strong and durable steel frame construction. Large 140L storage capacity. Smooth rolling wheels on most terrains. Locking front wheels for added safety. Useful side pockets for small items. Easy and quick folding design. Good for camping, shopping, and outdoor use. Cons: not suitable for soft sand. Slightly heavy at around 23 pounds. Not designed for extreme heavy-duty industrial use. Final verdict: my experience with this collapsible wagon cart has been very positive. It feels strong, practical, and easy to use in daily outdoor activities. It handles heavy loads well and performs smoothly on most surfaces. However, it does have limitations on soft sand and is a bit heavy to carry for long distances. Overall, this is a reliable and versatile utility wagon that works best for camping, grocery runs, sports events, and general outdoor hauling. Number 5. Collapsible wagon with wheels. After using this 220 pounds collapsible wagon for grocery shopping, camping trips, garden work, and short outdoor travel, I found it to be a very lightweight and easy-to-handle utility cart. It focuses more on portability and convenience rather than heavy-duty hauling. The first thing I noticed is how light and compact it feels. At around 11 pounds, I can easily lift and store it without any effort. The folding design is simple, and it becomes very small when collapsed, which makes it perfect for car trunks or small storage spaces. The 220 pounds load capacity is decent for daily use. I was able to carry groceries, small camping gear, and sports items without any issue. However, I noticed it is not designed for very heavy or industrial-level loads. It performs best with moderate weight. The wheels and handle system are easy to control. The 360 degrees rotating wheels help me move it smoothly on flat surfaces like pavements, grass, and light dirt paths. The flexible handle makes turning and pulling comfortable, even in tight spaces. The build quality is good for its price range. The carbon steel frame and 300D Oxford fabric feel solid enough for regular use. It also handles light outdoor conditions well, including garden work and short camping trips. However, I noticed some limitations. It is not ideal for rough terrain or very heavy loads. Also, on uneven ground or soft sand, the movement becomes harder compared to bigger heavy-duty wagons. Pros: lightweight and easy to carry, around 11 pounds. Compact folding design for small storage spaces. Good 220 pounds load capacity for daily use. Smooth 360 degrees wheel movement on flat surfaces. Easy and comfortable flexible handle. Strong enough for groceries, camping, and garden work. Simple, no assembly design. Cons: not suitable for heavy-duty or industrial loads. Struggles on rough terrain and soft sand. Smaller storage compared to large wagons. Final verdict: my experience with this collapsible wagon has been very positive for light to medium use. It is extremely easy to carry, store, and operate, making it a great choice for everyday errands and short outdoor trips. However, it is not meant for heavy-duty hauling or rough terrain use. Overall, I see this as a best lightweight utility wagon for daily tasks, especially for groceries, small camping setups, and garden work.